The senses open to the world, to guide, to taste, to see. Each signal meant to point the way to what supports our needs. But pleasure lingers in the mind and asks for something more. The purpose fades, the wanting grows beyond its guiding role. Desire begins where pleasure stays, and purpose slips from view. The moment has to be repeated instead of moving through. What once was meant to guide the way becomes a tie that binds, until the seeker learns to see what lasts beyond the mind. From hunger, touch, and longing eyes to dreams the heart pursues. Desire changes shape with time as life keeps moving through. What once was sought in outer form refines and turns within. Each attachment slowly loosens grip as deeper truth sets in. Desire begins where pleasure stays, and purpose slips from view. The moment has to be repeated instead of moving through. What once was meant to guide the way becomes a tie that binds, until the seeker learns to see what lasts beyond the mind. At last the outer world grows quiet, its promises complete. No lasting home in pleasure found, no refuge in retreat. The gaze returns to what remains when all desire is done. The center holds a deeper fire that needs no outer sun. desire fades from grasping form, the soul steps into place. No pull of pain, no chase for joy, no need to turn away. From the still point, life moves with ease, aligned and fully free. The seeker works from inner truth, where nothing needs to be. Still, centered.